Who there here? Who put like some of my bunk? Don't disturb me. I should not disturb you, or should not disturb you. See this idiot, want to tell me. Is this blow? Or iron?
The wise one.
Woi.
The wise one.
Yes.
The wise one. If you know what brought me to this place, it's more serious than that I am. A man like me gives me a heavy blow. I could not imagine it. I remembered the day I was born. I even visited my grave. I said I cannot waste a minute. I cannot waste a minute without coming to see, because I know that you must be a solution to me.
You mean you need something to retaliate?
Exactly.
You must drop something for the gods.
Yes. I don't have much.
Ọkụkọ eji tụ eje, onye ọdụ ara ga-ata ya. Ọkụkọ eji tụ eje, onye ọdụ ara ga-ata ya. Ọkụkọ eji tụ eje, onye ọdụ ara ga-ata ya. Ọkụkọ eji tụ eje. Young man, this is not an ordinary ring. This is what you use to retaliate. And you put it in your thumb's finger and you hit to the target. You hit to the target.
Thank you, the wise one.
You can go now.
Thank you, the wise one.
You can go now.
Thank you, the wise one.
You can go. Ọkụkọ eji tụ eje, onye ọdụ ara ga-ata.
See this idiot. So you are here. Thank God you are here. Today, you see that blow you give to me, you will pay for it.
That's the grace.
Me the grace. Me is the grace.
You see this madman, want to try me.